the risk for cancer, the cancer risk in baby powder. And we are talking about one of the giants in the industry. It is Johnson & Johnson that is now in the dock. A US jury has now asked Johnson & Johnson to pay $40 million as damages. Now, this jury has now ordered Johnson & Johnson to pay $40 million to two women in the latest talcum trial, where the California jury has awarded $40 million to two women who said that Johnson & Johnson Open's new Tab baby powder was to blame for their ovarian cancer. Now, the jury in LA Superior Court awarded $18 million to Monica and $22 million to Deborah, finding that Johnson & Johnson knew for years that its talc-based products were dangerous, but it failed to warn the consumers. Let's connect with Isha on this. Isha, good morning. Now, this is an important and a concern where, as far as the use of this talcum powder is concerned, it is used on babies, but even adults use it, and this is something that goes on across the world. Here is a California jury finding the company knew that its talc-based products were dangerous, but it did not warn the consumers.
Amita, Johnson & Johnson is a fairly common product which is used across the world. In fact, we still see it at supermarkets, and it is widely sold as one of the most popular brands for children and even adults. However, what has now come to the fore is that a court has ordered Johnson & Johnson to pay $40 million to two women with ovarian cancer, and who said that the long-term use of the company had caused their illness. So they appealed to a court, and henceforth they have gotten the $40 million payout. However, it is also important to note this is not the first time that Johnson & Johnson has come into the scanner. This is another setback in the ongoing lawsuits linking talcum baby powder to ovarian cancer. And both women, the one who's been awarded, they say that they've used the powder for about 40 years and later underwent major surgeries and chemotherapy as well. So major setback for the giant company.
All right. So Johnson & Johnson is facing lawsuits for more than 67,000 plaintiffs who say that they were diagnosed with cancer after using the baby powder and other talc products, according to the court filings. Thank you very much, Isha, for joining in with that update.